Hey guys, it's Oana from MMT. We're just treating here Ninja's forearm. He doesn't really have any forearm pain at the moment, but we're just demonstrating how we're treating it for people who'd be coming in with pain in the forearm. Could be computer artists, for example, with like prolonged usage of the computer mouse. Could be people who are playing tennis, for example, and have like a poor backhand stroke technique. Could be painters, like any repetitive movements, like painters or chefs, carpenters.
Wow, that's good. And what?
So this is just like a warm-up stroke.
Yeah.
How's it feeling?
Yeah, it feels really good, really therapeutic, really connected. Yeah, just through there. There's certain lines where you hit in that are really close to the bone. You feel good. That feels really good. Were you saying you had somebody that had an injury? Was it?
Yeah, so I had someone who had like a water skiing injury like 20 years ago. So
Yeah.
he still had lots of scar tissue in his like fascia.
Yeah. That's interesting. Yeah, through there, one I can really feel making a difference in there. It's that therapeutic feeling, sort of paralysing me a bit
You
too.
can wiggle your fingers a bit.
Yeah, it feels good. Very thorough. Yeah, it's cool how I can just move my fingers a little bit and it feels like it adds to your treatment.
Yeah, it's like a bit of an active release too.
Yeah, it's good. I can be part of it.
I'm just gonna work a bit closer to this lateral epicondyle, where this can cause like the commonly known tennis elbow. So just sinking in slowly.
Yeah, that's good. Nailing it.
And staying connected to the bone, where all those tendons attach to. I could get ninged, maybe spread your fingers, yeah.
So where are you from originally? Dracula country, isn't it?
Transylvania, yeah,
Transylvania.
It's
It's a real place. Real place. Is there
with
vampire?
real people.
Is there vampires
No
there?
vampires, just real people.
Just real people. It's all make believe then. Isn't it an old story though? Is it sort of? When did that vampire or Dracula story? When was that written?
A while ago, like
Over
a century ago, yeah.
100 years.
Probably.
And you were back over there not that long ago. You went back home to visit. Was that
Last year?
last year? Yeah. And you love hiking as well. Is that
Yeah.
and nature,
Yeah.
outdoors? What you reckon that would be your number one thing is to hike, or is it?
Most probably,
yeah.
yeah, everything done in nature, yeah, I think it's very therapeutic.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it too. So you like getting up to the summit for sunrise, different things like that as well? Is that something you do?
Trying to get up early in the morning,
Yeah. I think something
helps with going to sleep easier as
Yeah,
well if
yeah.
you get up and you just get exposed just to that morning light.
Yeah, it's important, isn't it? Yeah, something about being at the top of the mountain when the sun comes up, see it coming up from a distance. Yeah, it's pretty special time. Yeah, the world puts on a display every day, doesn't it? The sunrise and the sunset. It's nature's art, and each one is slightly different. So yeah, it's special to be able to witness it. So you trek all around Victoria here as well, don't you?
Yeah.
Every weekend, pretty much you're going out.
Try to get out of the city, yeah.
Out of the city, the fresh air and the expansive views. One of the words I really like is awe. This guy wrote a book on awe, A-W-E, and it just means when you're in awe of something, you kind of just think of how magnificent something is, and so I think that's what you're. That's an awe. That's a different awe. You're experiencing awe when you're doing your treks, aren't you? You're kind of in awe of nature and just witnessing the magnificence and those dramatic scenes, where the sun rises and the mountains and everything.
Everything's changing all the time. Like you might see birds flying into the scenery, or you might I don't know, hear a goat.
Yeah, a goat. Yeah, goats, aren't they amazing creatures? How they can climb mountains and be on the sides of
the best climbers. Yeah.
Damn walls. They don't look like they'd be a good climber. They don't have suction cups on them or fingers to grip onto things. How they do it. Yeah. Amazing. What do you find in my forearm, Oana? Oh! Some good stuff.
Some good stuff?
Yeah.
Any referral in your hand or?
Sometimes, yeah.
Higher up in your upper arm?
No, going down, everything for me. And you do a little bit of rock climbing as well, or no?
I do a little bit.
Yeah. Outdoor?
Outdoors.
Outdoor rock climbing, not this indoor stuff?
No, not much,
No.
Not much indoor.
That's just for me and Leo to do, is it? When you do the indoor.
It's more fun outdoors.
Yeah, you can die though, do you know that?
No, if you know how to use the gear.
Yeah. You're fine, safe.
I'm just gonna place Ninja's forearm like this for a sec.
Yeah.
And we'll do some.
Get in with the. Whoa.
We'll dig in with the side of my elbow a bit.
Good, Oana. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So I might get Ninja to just move his wrist and fingers a bit. Help with that release.
Yeah. So much, when you do the movements and while you're pinning things, it kind of gives me, as a receiver of this, so much more awareness of what muscles move your fingers or move your body. So yeah, you get a lot of...
and we tend to use these muscles in the forearms like every day. We use our hands every day.
Yeah. Yeah, that's talent.
Yeah, people who come in with pain similar to this one, like they grip strength. You alright?
Yeah, no, keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, the grip strength might get affected, so that might impact their job, their daily activities.
Yeah. Oh, dear. good. Such a good stroke. So therapeutic. Oh, that's good. Like a burning, searing kind of thing going on through there. That's really interesting. It's still at the same time, I kind of know that it's good.
It's like a good pain. That's what we're looking for.
Yeah. It's stuck in there. Whoa.
Not too much.
No, you're doing well. That's good. Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah, we're hitting a bit of brachioradialis muscle, which is a elbow flexor as well.
Whoa.
And supinates and pronates our forearm and hand.
Yeah. Wow. It's good. Oh dear, oh dear. Jeez, you're good. You're good, Oana.
I'm just gonna sink out slowly and just try to pin this point with my thumb.
And so you've got a specific interest in the forearms, Oana? Do you really enjoy treating this area?
Been getting a lot of clients with this issue lately.
Yeah.
And yeah, made me think of how important they are, even like in shoulder dysfunction. Like sometimes you do some work on someone's shoulder and you move towards the elbow, like down towards the elbow or forearm and wrist, and you might find the issue was coming out from there.
Yeah. And how are your own forearms? Do you have any pain in your own forearms? You had
Try to stay on top of it, doing treatment myself. Just
self-treatment,
digging into it. Yeah.
Yeah, good. Yeah. It's sort of like, Elliot talked about it, direct experience. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Direct experience is you can't, it's priceless. Yeah.
Yeah, if you get to know your own body,
Yeah.
then you can understand what the other is going through and you can help them better, I think.
Yeah. Absolutely. Oh, yeah. Oana. That's good.
Can do some work maybe through this front of the elbow.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be hitting a bit of brachioradialis, brachialis, bit of biceps as well.
Whoa. Going for it.
About less than 5 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 5 minutes.
So broad stroke to warm up the tissues.
Whoa. Oh, that feels good. Ah, dear. It's good. So good. Whoa.
a bit of hitting the biceps, I think. So we'll do one stroke going down as well. Yeah, you could also get forearm pain if you do a lot of bicep curls and like repetitive movements, yeah, in the overtraining maybe in the gym. How's that feeling, Ninj?
Yeah, therapeutic. Yeah, you're nailing it. Your arm's going to be amazing after this. You can tell, hitting the right spots.
And it tends to be usually in the dominant hand. So yeah, in this case, it's working on Ninj's right hand and arm.
Yeah, through that forearm, just below the elbows. Tight. Feels good all the way. All the way. Yeah, I reckon you're a forearm expert, Oana.
Doing my best to
Yeah.
help people, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you guys experience any pain like this, just book in and we'll get you fixed.
Yeah. Get it done.
Done.